I'm actually recording this video right after the video about 8 relapses. So, yes, I have landed the first client in web development, and it was luck. I'm not going to tell how I learned to code because there's a video about it. That's the first thing, and the second one, I'm just going to start from the story. It was 3rd March in the morning. My mother texted me to ask my brother, who sponsored the trip to Turkey, um, just to ask him how he is. I did text him to not forget. I immediately just sent a text. I asked him how his business was going. He was just he was basically going to start a business and register stuff and stuff. And he told me that he found a guy to make a website, but it didn't go well. The website wasn't even started and stuff, so there's just basically nothing. And I told him, like, I can make websites too. So he said, I didn't know that. And yeah, I explained him everything. I told him everything he needed to know. And yes, we started from the domain. It was hard to find, it was hard mentally. It wasn't hard, but it was mentally demanding to set it up, to make it work and stuff. One of the things that he needed was like a custom email extension, not gmail.com, but his website, the domain name extension. Yes, I set that up. He sent the money to buy the domain. And yeah, the launch is 23rd March. I don't know, for the last 10 days I have been developing it. It is finished. It's like a multi-language website. It was supposed to be just a static website, just one page, landing page. But I thought to make it scalable, he will probably make it in the future, think about moving more on the internet. So I developed it in Next.js, with React. So it's just a dynamic rendering, and instead of text, there's like a data in several languages. Oh yeah. About the design and copy of the website. So when he asked like to actually make it, he didn't have anything, not design, not copy, nothing, practically nothing. He had like a bullet list of points of the services that he's going to offer. And I was like, okay, I'm just going to keep my promise and make it work, figure it out, right? I did figure it out. So for the copy, I used ChatGPT to write the copy for it. Yeah, I tinkered with it like half an hour, something like that. Then for the design, I tried to ask for design the Midjourney Discord bot. The design was absolute shit because it did not match anything, but whatever. I then thought about going step down. I just asked for like arts and stuff. So I had like 3-4 images and 100 variants of them. He actually liked them. My brother liked them. I am still not sure whether he is allowed to use the images on his website or not, but as I understood that it is like possible. It's not a crime, as I understood it. For other images, I used like pexels.com. Yeah, it's just a landing page. I designed it. The first version was absolutely horrible. And I just kept going. I was like, okay, how can I make it better? Just 1% better. And I tinkered that and that and that and just kept going. And in the end, it is actually good. It looks like a professional designed website, a landing page. It definitely does not look like a um, the landing page that those type of companies would use. It looks more professional. I integrated maps like LeafNet, some open maps. So yes, it's finished. That's pretty much it. For the payment, I have to tell this to keep the history going. My laptop can't keep up with my workflow. I don't know why, but it started freezing in Premiere Pro, particularly in playback. The editing is fine, but the playback, it freezes, goes back, plays back again and again. It kind of rocks back and forth, the timeline thingy. So, yes, I need a laptop. The laptop that I'm using currently, he was actually bought by my brother, the same person. And yes, we talked about the money as well. He was like, by the way, when are you going to need money for the rent? And I was like, no, I am working as a painter, as a furniture painter. I don't need money. I can pay my own rent. Instead, please pay for the website. That's what I told him. So he said like, okay. And I told him that I need a laptop. He said that, I think he said he couldn't afford that, but we'll see, right? So we will see. I want to ask him 1,200 euros because he makes in euros. 1,200 euros. I want to spend like 900 bucks on a laptop, a Redmi Book Pro 15, and I want to save up the rest for a flight ticket and to invest in some business. Not like invest, but to start a business. So yes, that's what I want. If you look at everything that happened lately, my life has been fucking incredible. There has been so many things, so many good things that happened, except relapsing 8 times.